briquetting. In India, biomass briquetting process of applying pressure to mass of loose agro-residue particles with or without a binder and converting them into a compact product of high density. High density means 1.2 to 1.4 gram per semi-cube. This much of density. So what is the process of biomass briquetting? Process of applying pressure on the mass of loose agro-residue particles with or without a binder and converting them into a compact product of high density. High density amount 1.2 to 1.4 gram per semi-cube. Selection of raw materials for briquetting depends on moisture content. Moisture content should be from 10 to 15%, low moisture content. Ash content should be slagging in behavior, has mineral composition. Example, biomass feedstock have 4% of ash content. Biomass feedstock is suitable for briquetting. Flow characteristics, particle size and availability in the locality. So what are the dependencies or what are the factors that are used for the selection of raw materials for the briquetting process? First is low moisture content of the raw materials. Moisture content should be from 10 to 15%. Ash content should have slagging behavior, mineral composition. Like biomass feedstock should have ash content of 4%. This is suitable for briquetting. Then flow characteristics, particle size and availability in the locality. Granule homogeneous materials which can easily flow in conveyors, bunkers and storage silos are suitable for briquetting. So what are the compounds that are most suitable for briquetting process? Are the granule homogeneous materials. Granule homogeneous materials which can easily flow in conveyors, bunkers and storage silos are suitable for briquetting. Briquetting process have 4 steps. First is collecting of raw materials. Raw materials means fuel or fuel feedstock. Preparation of raw material is first is drying in the open air or sun or in solar dryers or with hot air. Drying of highly moistened raw materials. To reduce the moisture content of raw material, we have to do drying of raw materials in the open air or sun or with solar dryers or with hot air. The second process under the preparation of raw materials is size reduction of raw materials. Size reduction up to a uniform size of 1 to 10 mm. Size reduction by shredding, chopping, crushing, breaking, rolling, hammering, milling, grinding and cutting of raw materials. So size reduction up to a minimum size of 1 to 10 mm. Size reduction by shredding, chopping, crushing, breaking, rolling, hammering, milling, grinding, cutting. Mixing of raw materials in correct proportions. Third step, mixing of raw materials in correct proportion by binder. Fourth step, mixing of raw materials. Under the preparation of raw materials, fourth step is mixing of raw materials in the correct proportion by binder to increase the compaction and calorific value of the products. For what? To increase the compaction and calorific value of the resultant products. Then the third process is compaction. Compaction is done inside the briquetting machine. Pressure of medium pressure type machines 5 MPa to 100 MPa. So pressure of medium pressure type machines is 5 MPa to 100 MPa, that leads to lower heat generation. This requires additional heating machine to melt the lignin content of agro residues or raw materials. Lignin eliminates the additional binder materials. As the lignin content of agro residues can eliminate or can reduce the additional binder materials of raw materials, we have to do compaction inside the briquetting machine by the use of medium pressure type machines, that pressure content is 5 MPa to 100 MPa, that lower the heat generation, and also we have to add some extra heating to melt the lignin content of agro residues. Briquetting technologies of agro residues. 3 types of briquetting technologies. First is high pressure or high compaction technology. By high pressure briquetting machines, pressure is 100 MPa, so temperature is also increased. As we have studied in thermodynamics that if we increase the pressure of a machine, the temperature will automatically be increased. temperature is 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. High pressure or high compaction technology is suitable for agro residues with high lignin content. This lignin content acts as a binder. Briquetting machines. This high pressure or high compaction technology is further divided into two types. First is hydraulic piston press type and second is screw press type. Hydraulic piston press type produce briquettes in India, especially in Tamil Nadu. It is used by all briquettes producing firms. Diameter of hydraulic piston press type is 30 to 90 mm. Diameter of hydraulic piston press type high pressure or high compaction technology system is 30 to 90 mm. Specially used in Tamil Nadu of India. Diameter of briquettes produced by commercial firms 60 to 90 mm. Under the high pressure or high compaction technology, diameter of briquettes produced by commercial firms is 60 to 90 mm and diameter of briquettes produced by producing firms is 30 to 90 mm. And this is 60 to 90 mm. Second is medium pressure technology and third is low pressure technology. Then the process cooling of briquettes. As briquettes are in high temperature, we should cool these briquettes when its machine temperature exceeds 100 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of briquetting machine exceeds the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, then we have to cooling down the briquettes. Briquettes are used in tea industries, wine distilleries, textile industries, farms and domestic industrial manure producing. So briquettes are used in tea, wine distilleries, textile industries and tea industries, farms, domestic and industrial manure producing. Agro residual briquettes increase the net calorific value of raw material per unit volume. It is the uniform fuel. It reduces the spontaneous combustion waste. It reduces the biodegradation. So agro-residual briquettes increase the net calorific value of raw materials per unit volume. It is a type of uniform fuel in size and shape. It reduces the spontaneous combustion wastes and it reduces the biodegradation. Necessary requirements to start a briquette production unit. First is land requirement, minimum 1 acre of land. Continuous supply of raw materials, second requirement. Necessary requirements to start a briquette production unit. First is land requirement, minimum of 1 acre of land. Second is continuous supply of raw materials. Third is drying facility to dry the raw materials with higher moisture contents. Raw materials with higher moisture content should be dried to reduce to a desirable level. Dried by solar dryers or heater or hot air generator system. Dried by solar dryers or heater or hot air generator system. Reduced to a desirable level. The fourth requirement is shredding machine. Minimum motor power of shredding machine is 5 horsepower. Shredding machine. Minimum motor power of shredding machine is 5 horsepower. The fifth requirement is briquetting machine. Briquetting machine should be a high pressure hydraulic piston press type briquetting machine. This should be powered by minimum 50 horsepower motor that produce binderless briquettes. So fifth requirement is briquetting machine should be a high pressure hydraulic piston press type briquetting machine that is powered by minimum 50 horsepower motor that produce binderless briquettes.